Hi guys, thought I'd do something else today, and this has really intrigued me, and I thought I've got to show you this because I'm just blown away by the effect of it. I don't do a lot of cars, but I know there's a lot of you car modelers out there. This is from Aoshima. This is a Toyota 86. I don't know the whole story of what this is about, but it's some sort of anime sort of type of thing, and they've done this car. Now, this is 24 scale. It's from, as I said, Aoshima. If you have a look on the side there, you can see all the pretty pictures. And I thought this would be interesting because if that's all decal, that's really cool, but how good were the decals going to be? Well, I opened it up, and this is what I found. Very nice car kit. Aoshima do some really nice stuff. There's all the clear parts and all the rest of it, so it's all quite well done. Body shell. But when I got to there, I went, wow, this is quite something. I can't open these up because they're inside a plastic bag, but if you have a look, that there, I think it's a cutout mask. You've got to cut around it, and there's all your mask set. But have a look at these decals. These are just phenomenal. The detail in them and the colours, the vibrancy of the decal is just superb. It's just really well done. And they feel, through the plastic, they feel very thin. There doesn't seem to be much ridge, as in for the amount of colours that they've put on top of each other. But to see this done, I reckon would just look magnificent. So just as a quick one for the car modelers, if you're looking for something different and you want to sort of have a bit of fun with it, give this one a go. It just looks superb. So have a great day, enjoy your modelling, and I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.